soul. I recognize the light that lives within me. I release all guilt. I let go of fear. I open my heart, ready to feel once more. Today I speak to myself with respect, and I embrace exactly who I am. With every step I choose myself. In every heartbeat there is forgiveness. I bless myself with words of peace. I bless my life. I bless my journey. I bless myself. Amen. I bless my body, I bless my mind, I bless my dreams, my now and my present. I bless my hands and my way of loving. I bless the paths that teach me to trust. I bless myself and I let it flow. Health surrounds me, I allow myself to live. I bless myself and I receive all that is good. Love finds me in the perfect time. Money arrives in stillness without worry or pressure. I trust the infinite abundance that God placed inside of me. I do not chase, I do not force. Everything knows how to arrive. Everything knows how to arrive. I bless myself and the fear fades away. Everything works together for good. Even when I cannot understand it, everything works together for good, wrapped in purpose and truth.